Hey happy bees, it's Amanda, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a cute monkey cake topper. I've put links in the description below for everything that I'm using to create this, so let's get started. So to start out, you're going to take a ball of modelling paste and you're going to use your fingers to pinch the top of it to create a neck. Now insert a barbecue skewer. This is going to support the head and the rest of the body. I've got an oval shaped cutter here and I'm going to use it and some skin tone fondant to create a tummy. And you can use that cutter to give his tummy an indentation if you like, and of course a belly button. I'm going to make his back legs now by rolling out a snake piece of modelling paste. You're going to trim that off at the top and then you're going to fold that over. I do have a template kit for this cake topper if you need a little bit of extra help, and it has all the measurements already for you. I'll put a link to that later on in the video. Make a tail for your monkey by using a longer snake piece of modelling paste and curl the end of that inward. I'm going to make some hands and feet now for our little monkey by using 4 equal pieces of skin tone fondant. Roll that into a ball and push it flat. Then make sure you're using the rounded side and use a knife to carve in some fingers and a thumb. Now monkeys' hands and feet kind of look similar, so you could use the same technique to create the feet as well. To create arms for your monkey now, you're going to roll out another snake piece of fondant and you're going to trim it down the centre, and that'll be your 2 monkey arms. Use some water to stick all the body parts on to your monkey. We're going to use a large oval piece of brown modelling paste for the monkey's head, and we're going to use some of that skin tone fondant and a heart cutter to create the shape of his face. Use the top part of the heart cutter to create that V shape, then place the fondant onto the head and trim the size. Use a small piece of oval fondant to create a mouth area. You're going to place it on the bottom half of the face. And use a circle cutter to create a smile. Using the same circle cutter, we're going to carve out some eye sockets and fill in those eye sockets with some white fondant. Use a small piece of oval brown fondant to create a nose, and then you can go in with a tool and create some nostrils. Do smaller black circles for eyes for our little monkey, and don't forget to give him those catch lights. Now you don't need to do this, but I think eyebrows add character to your cake topper, so I've created some little eyebrows there for our little monkey. Now using 2 circle cutters and some brown and skin tone fondant, we're going to create ears for our little monkey. Use a cocktail stick and some water to secure those into place. Now once you secure your monkey's head onto his body, you can go ahead and create some hair for him if you like. And you can click on the link in the description if you'd like to get the monkey templates I've put together for you. And as always, if you like all things cake decorating, consider subscribing to see lots more where this came from.